If you've forgotten your password for Dedham Savings, resetting it is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Visit the Dedham Savings website. Go to the official Dedham Savings website using your preferred web browser. Look for the login section on the homepage. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. In the login area, find and click on the Forgot Password link. This will direct you to the password reset page. Step 3. Enter your information. Fill out the required fields with your account information, such as your username or email address associated with your account. Make sure the information is accurate. Step 4. Check your email. Secure your account before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use Assert to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Follow the instructions. Click on the link in the email and follow the instructions provided to create a new password. Make sure to choose a strong password that you haven't used before. Once you've completed these steps, you should be able to log into your Dedham Savings account with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.